Hello students, how are you all? This time situation is very hard. Everyone wants oxygen. But can you tell me the organism or living being that provides oxygen to us? Yes, that is tree. So do you know the importance of trees in our life? If you have two places to go, one is the desert area and other is the area with lot of trees, greenery such as forest. Where would you want to go? Yes, surely you will go to the forest. Trees are living beings. They play vital role in our life. They provide us with food, oxygen and shelter. We are totally dependent on plants for our livelihood. Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to study class 4th EVS chapter 4, the story of Amrita. This is a true story from long ago, almost 300 years ago, in a village called Khedajli lived Amrita. Khedajli village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Dear children, can you locate Rajasthan on the map of India? This village got its name because of the many Kedaji trees that grew there. The people of this village took great care of the plants, trees, and animals. Goats, deer, hares, and peacock roamed fearlessly there. The people of village remembered what their elders used to tell them. They used to say, "अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम." Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Amrita would get up early every morning and greet her friends, the trees. She would choose a special tree for the day. She would put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper to the tree, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also." Like Amrita, the other children also had their special trees. They would play for hours in the shade of the Khejaldi trees. The Khejadi tree was the most common tree that grew in Amrita's village. The Kedaji tree is found mainly in desert areas. It can grow without much water. Its bark is used for making medicine. People cook and eat its fruits, that is beans. Its wood is such that it will not affected by insects. Animal in this area eat the leaves of Kedaji and children like you play in its shade. Trees in danger. Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day she went to greet her trees. She saw that there were some strangers in her village. They had eggs with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the trees and hugged it tightly. The men shouted and threatened her, but Amrita did not let go of the tree. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for trees. He visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area, called Bishnois, continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. Chipko movement. The word Chipko means to stick or to hug. The Chipko movement or Chipko Andolan was a forest conservation movement in India. It began in 1973 in Uttarakhand, then a part of Uttar Pradesh, and went on to become a rallying point for many future environmental movements all over the world. It was started by Sundar Lal Bahuguna, a Gandhian. Deforestation and afforestation. Deforestation. It can be defined as the large scale removal of trees from forest or land for the human activities. The birds like sparrow and manas are reducing due to deforestation. Afforestation. It is the process of planting large number of trees on the land which has few or no trees on it. So we should plant more and more trees. We should learn that we should safeguard our environment as much as possible. We should learn from the people of Khedajli village. Thank you students and take care of the plants and plant as many as plant you can. Thank you and take care. Plant as many as trees you can plant. Thank you and take care.